Hello children, what are you all doing? Busy? Busy in studies or playing? I'm sure you are doing both the things, playing and studying also, and I'm very happy. You are also happy, I'm sure, that we are having the Google Meet lessons and you have learned so many things. You are seeing me and I am seeing you all. So that's why we are able to interact more, to put our questions, put up the questions, ask you the questions, make you do reading. All such things are being done over the Google Meet. So I'm sure you are very happy nowadays and you are very sincerely doing the work. And all the lessons, previous lessons also you have seen, and you are doing the exercises, sending me. I'm happy for this. So in this lesson, I'm going to explain to you certain things. Before explaining, I would like to ask you, when you go to your grandparents' house, your aunt's house, or your uncle's house, or your any relative, or you go to see some new place, then how do you go? Definitely, you use some means of transport to reach there, isn't it? And that means of transport only we are going to see in this lesson. Lesson 12, means of transport. And so many means of transport we have. Some are moving on the road, some are moving on the tracks, some are moving in the sky, and then some are moving in the water. No? Then, so some we are seeing this big vehicles, small vehicles, village road vehicles, and city vehicles. So many vehicles we are seeing. These means of transport are very important for us. Not only we have fun, not only we are going in these means of transport, but heavy goods and so many other things have to be sent. They are sent in these means of transport. So you're going to see about the land transport, the air transport, water transport, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this lesson also, as you have enjoyed the previous lessons. And you will see many things, many pictures, many things which you have never understood. But now by seeing these pictures, I'm sure you will be able to understand properly. So let's go to the screen and see everything. Ready? Come on. Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Lesson 12, Means of Transport. Key points in the lesson. These are the points you're going to see. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, land transport. Number 3, railways. Number 4, waterways. Number 5, airways. And number 6, something to do. So let's get started. Traveling from one place to another is fun. We use different means of transport to travel from one place to another. So, you're going to see all the different means of transport that we have, that we use for going from one place to another. Means of transport are 3 types. Number 1, land transport. Then, number 2, water transport. Number 3, air transport. So these are the means of transport that you're going to see in this lesson. Number 1, we are going to see land transport. On land, we can travel on road or on rail. So on the land, you can go by the road also, and the tracks that the trains are moving, that is known as the rail. So we use the road for making our roadways move. And on track, what moves on the rail? The trains. You have moved on all these means of transport and you must have enjoyed. On road, we can use many vehicles like cars, scooters, and buses, etc. So on the road, you must have seen these vehicles moving every day, and you must have sat in one of these vehicles some or the other day. Cars, scooters, buses, etc. run on petrol or diesel. These are the fuels that are used in these vehicles, and then these vehicles, these means of transport, they move. So, without petrol or diesel, they will not be able to move. So, road vehicles form roadways. What we call road vehicles? Roadways. A train moves on railway track. This is called the track, the railway track, and the train moves on it. We can travel long distances comfortably by train. So, any train can take us to so many places, cities, towns, and very comfortable journey we have by the trains. Trains form railways. They are called railways. All the trains together we call railways, but they are also a part of means of land transport. Trains carry people and goods to different parts of the country. So we have two types of trains which carry people. These are the trains which carry people, and then some trains are there which carry what? Goods. So the trains which carry people are known as passenger trains, and the trains which carry goods, all the luggage that we have, big ones, big luggages, which the like coal and all vegetables and ration, all the wheat, rice and all, no? All these are goods. They are sent by which train? Goods train. So trains run on electricity also or on diesel. Water transport. Now, you see, you must have seen water transport, but many of you all must have not traveled by the water transport. We use different means of water transport to travel across lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. So, different means of transport are there, and we are using all these means of transport in different water bodies like lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. So we use boats to travel short distances over rivers and lakes. So short distances when we have to go, then we use the boats. And these boats move on which water body? Rivers. This is the river and this is the lake. On such type of water body, the boats are moving. Steamers and ships are used for long distances when we have to go very far of places across the seas and oceans. Then steamers and ships are used. So they carry people and goods from one place to another. Even these waterways also carry people and all the luggage, the big tons of goods that we have to send to other countries and other places. We send by the what? Waterways. Water vehicles form waterways. These are called waterways. Water vehicles. Ships and steamers can carry people and goods from one place to another. They carry goods also and people also. Air transport. Long distances can be covered quickly by aeroplanes and helicopters. So if you want to go to very far away places, then and quickly, very fast, then we are using the aeroplanes and helicopters. This is the fastest means of transport. Air vehicles form airways. So air vehicles which are moving in the air, they are called airways. So you're going to see airways, more airways like helicopters also are moving in the air, and they don't go very far away, far off distance they don't cover, but inside the country they move to different places we can use, and many people cannot travel in the helicopters. Very few people can travel in helicopters. So this is the helicopter, children. In this helicopter, only few people can travel. Now we are going to do something to do. These are the exercises you will do in your book. Name the mode of transport you will use to go to school. I have written bus or motorcycle, but you can ride bicycle, scooter, whichever mode of transport you are using, you can ride that also. Go to the nearby market. For going to very nearby market, which mode of transport you will use. So, like I have written bicycle, you can write anything which you are going, which you are using, that mode of transport you can write over here. Then we use to go to friend's house who lives across the river, who lives on the other side of the river. You are using a means of transport. Which means of transport you will use to cross the river? Boat. Go to far away country. When you want to go to very far away country, then you can use the aeroplane. So you will write aeroplane over here. To go to another city. So when we want to go to another city, we either go by train or bus. You can write something else also. Car also you can write. To go to the city zoo. If there is a city zoo in your near your place, then how you go to the zoo? Zoo is which place where many animals are kept, and people go to see these animals in the zoo. So how many means of transport you can use, or one means of transport you can write any one of these: car, scooter, taxi, auto. I have written over here. So match the following. Now this is a car given picture, and you have to match with all these, any one of these. So car moves on petrol, and train has compartment. All these bogies are called compartment in which people sit, and these aeroplanes have wings, and the ship sails in the water. So do this in your textbook, all of you. Stand in your balcony for some time and observe different vehicles moving on the road. Make a list of them. So when you stand in your balcony, anywhere in your uh, near your house or outside your house, you will see many vehicles moving on the road. I have written some of them, but you can write some other means of transport also which you see. So I have written bicycle, scooty, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, rickshaw, car, bus, tonga. You can write some other things if you feel like. If you feel that some more vehicles are moving around. Use the help box for naming for the following. A vehicle with four wheels. So this is the help box given down. This is the help box. From here, you have to fill the correct answer. So a vehicle with four wheels, car. Number two, a vehicle, a very large vehicle that sails on water, ship. means of transport that has two wings. Just now I had shown you the two wings, and this is the aeroplane, a vehicle which has three wheels. So you see the picture is also given here, and these are the wings of the aeroplane, and this is having three wheels. This vehicle is known as cycle rickshaw, a vehicle that has two wheels and needs no petrol to move. So this vehicle, you see, is having two wheels and we don't need to put petrol in it. We just ride it and enjoy. You all must have enjoyed your bicycle ride many times. So children, more exercises given here. Give two examples of each of the following means of air transport: aeroplane, helicopter, which moves in the air; land transport, having two wheels, scooter, motorcycle; land transport which does not run on petrol, bicycle, rickshaw; means of transport where animals are used, bullock cart, tonga; means of water transport, ship, steamer. Read the given clues and fill in the missing letters. So, here it is written, it moves in water. This is the clue, it moves in water, ship. You have to fill the correct answer, the correct alphabet here. It has four tires, car. It has two tires, motorcycle. It flies in the air, aeroplane. You must know the spellings also, children. It moves on tracks, train. So these were the different means of transport that you have seen, children, and I hope you have understood everything. Do your work neatly in good handwriting. Keep learning everything and get ready for your observation test. I will give you the portion any day, and also few lessons are left. So after completing the lessons, two observation tests I will take. So this is the end of the lesson, children. I hope you enjoyed and understood everything very nicely, clearly, and you are going to do everything nicely. I'm sure you're going to be a good child. So stay home, stay safe. If you are going to stay home, definitely you're going to be safe. You will be away from this corona which is in the air. So protect yourself, protect others also. So I hope you will do this and be good and listen to what your elders are telling you. Thank you for listening patiently, for being a good child, and always doing your work. For all these things, thank you very much. And bye for now. And I will meet you in the next lesson and explain to you everything again. Be cheerful and happy always.